Developers today work where they're most productive, and that's rarely a single browser tab. So let's talk about what it looks like when ServiceNow meets them where they are. Here, we have Claude Code running inside VS Code. To kick this off, all that's needed is a plain language description of what needs to be built. In this case, it's a ServiceNow app for managing travel requests for Knowledge 2026. Users will complete a form collecting their travel details, and after submission, a flow is triggered for manager approval. And we're off. While that's running, it's worth looking at what Claude is actually working from. Opening the skills folder shows ServiceNow-specific skills loaded alongside everything else. We have open-sourced these ServiceNow build skills to bring ServiceNow knowledge to coding agents like Claude Code. With these skills, Claude Code is like a real ServiceNow developer. It knows what ServiceNow platform objects to build and how to build them. And it builds them using our best practices. That's what separates us from a generic code generator. Most AI coding tools can write code, but this one understands the platform, the data model, and the logic that ServiceNow expects. As the build completes, files start populating in the Explorer. These are Fluent files, ServiceNow's platform native code framework, and that's built in as part of the Now SDK. Claude is writing in Fluent from the beginning, meaning the output is platform native by design. What's also worth noting is the environment itself. At no point is there a need to open a browser, navigate to a ServiceNow instance, or leave VS Code. Everything is happening directly in the tools developers already use every day. And just like that, it's done. The app was built and pushed directly into a ServiceNow sandbox, isolated from production and ready for review. From there, it will follow the same governed deployment processes teams already have in place. Now, let's look at what happens next once that app lands on the platform. Here we are inside ServiceNow Studio. There's our new travel app. And right away, we're getting AI-driven recommendations. Building the app is just step one. The next step is to make it autonomous. So let's take that recommendation to build an approvals agent to be used when the app is run. We'll use Build Agent to create an AI agent for this app. This will make the app not just something that responds, but something that can act in real time. We call this a runtime agent. And now you can see everything coming together. The agent's role, its instructions, and the tools it can use. This is where we move into a new model: sense, decide, and act. But before anything goes live, we start with governance. Build Agent first evaluates the new agent. It's tested and then validated for deployment readiness. And here are the results. Every check has passed, and the high deployment readiness score tells us this app is good to go. Now we'll submit it to our release process. Next, we shift to App Engine Management Center. You can see the deployment request, along with the full evacuation report. And just like that, it's been added to the next scheduled release and ready to go live. With this one motion, we're now opening the agent we just built to thousands of employees. Let's see the app in action after it's been deployed. Using the new app, Arjun asks about traveling to Knowledge and whether they can travel business class. And this is where everything changes. What you're seeing is a visual representation of what's happening in the background. Behind the scenes, we're not just getting data to resolve the request, we're getting context. Context is the key to understanding intent. Context graph helps answer who is asking, what policies apply to this person in this situation, what similar requests look like before, and finally, whether they're eligible. That's what context graph brings. It doesn't just find information, it understands your business and helps AI agents sense, decide, and act. What we've just seen is how we're now enabling developers to build anywhere and then run and govern on ServiceNow. And we've seen how Build Agent can add a custom in-app runtime AI agent powered by Context Graph. That's the future of autonomous enterprise AI. And that's what we're building right here on ServiceNow.